Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Abdullah Patel English High School and DRT Junior College. Let's start by our subject English, as we have completed by our section 4.1 History of Novel Introduction. We have seen how history of novel has created the impact on our writers in England, how it has been generated, and how the importance of novel came in front, especially in the middle class people. Today we are going to see the half part of the same particular topic, and second part, that is Indian scenario in India, how novel has taken its place. So let's start by the topic. The Pilgrim's Progress by John Bunyan. In the year he has written 1678, and Orinoco by Abra Ben in the year 1688 initiated the plenteous and colorful tradition of English novel, and was followed by Daniel Defoe, Robinson Crusoe, Moll Flanders, and Jonathan Swift, Glorious Travels, a famous satire. These are the novels has been written by the famous novelist, the name of their novels and the year mentioned over here. Moving further, other major novelists of 18th century are Samuel Richardson, Pamela of Virtue Rewarded and Clarissa, both epistolary novels, Henry Fielding, Lawrence Sterne, and Tobias Smollett. The tradition was enriched by many other Stratworld novelists such as Charles Dickens, Walter Scott, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Horace Walpole, Thomas Hardy, Wilkie Collins, and H.G. Wells. So these are the well-known novelists, other well-known novelists of the 18th century who has shown their ideas in the novel, in the field of novels, and has the hearts of many of the readers. Now see, here are some of the name of the novelists of the 20th century. I hope the slide is visible to you people. E.M. Forster, James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, Henry James, George Orwell, Graham Greene, D.H. Lawrence, William Golding, Anthony Burgess. Moving further, remember this name of the novelist. The 20th century is marked by the modern topics and innovative style and techniques, and widened angles of the views by the novelist. Like already we have studied the name of this novelist. Who are they? E.M. Forster, James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, Henry James, George Orwell, Graham Greene, D.H. Lawrence, William Golding, and Anthony Burgess. What they have done? They widened the circumference of the genre. Genre means forms of literature. Already I have explained you in my earlier session. Genre by writing what they have written. They have written on political, social, psychological, and other modern issues in their novel, and hence their novel has been circulated and become very famous, as it was it shows the present condition of the time, what the people were suffering at that time. All their problems were written over there, related to political, related to social, psychological, their mindset, and other modern issues what the people were facing. So 20th century novel was related to the feelings of the common people, and it was very famous. There are immigrant authors like Salman Rushdie belonging to India, our Indian novelist, V.S. Naipaul related to Trinidad, Kazuo Ishiguro from Japan, and many others. Immigrant means who has moving from one place to another, or travel from one place to another. The contribution of women novelists. Now not only the male Also, female novelists are also had done their contribution, given a big hand in writing of the novel. The contribution of women novelists to this great pageant cannot be neglected. Big work cannot be neglected. The Novel of Manners, Evelina by Frances Burney, Gothic novels by Anne Radcliffe, a novel based on science of the age, Frankenstein by Mary Shelley are landmark novels. Jane Austen has been ruling over the minds of the people through her novels. Means here women who have written the novel, that novel are also very famous among the people, as it has caught the very every corner of the people. Moving further, the contribution of women novelists. I hope the slide is visible to you. This is the contribution of women novelist pictures. Moving further, Bronte sisters Emily and Charlotte have created their own place by their incomparable work. The Wuthering Heights and Jane Eyre, Mary Ann Envas, Alice, George Eliot wrote the novels reflecting psychological insight. Virginia Woolf is the pioneer of the stream of consciousness technique in English novel. So here you have to remember the names of the novel as well as the writer. The novelist name are also very much important to be remembered. Agatha Christie created her own place by writing many novels based on crime. Hercule Poirot or Miss Marple are the evergreen detectives created by her. I hope you people have listened this name earlier. Miss Marple, Harper Lee, Margaret Atwood, Toni Morrison and Alice Walker have elevated the tradition further to prosperity. So these are the novels which has made her novel to reach her success. Now we have completed by the England European novelist and their novel. Now we are going to start by Indian scenario, what happened in India when they have started and who has written. Now here Raj Mohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, serialized in the Indian field, was the first novel in the English written by an Indian. Now here in India, the first novel was written in English language by an Indian. Okay, and on what topic it was written? It was written by on the topic of Raj Mohan's Wife. And who had written, who was the novelist? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Okay, the period after that is marked by few more novels written by the Indian writers. This novel bore either nationalistic virtues or social issues as their main framework. Now see, earlier also we have seen the novels had created a sense of humor. It was realistic as it shows the problems of the common people. Thus the people, especially the middle class people, like to read the novel as it was related to their problem, it was related to their day to day activity, so people like to read the novel. Here in our Indian scenario also the same thing happened. The writer who has written the novel in based on Indian field, it was also related, it bore either nationalistic virtues or social issues at that time whatever was happening in our country. So again the novel was very become famous. Mulkraj Anand, R.K. Narayan and Rajarao were the major trio who prevailed in the period after that. Means after Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, these three were the major novelists. Who? Mulkraj Anand, R.K. Narayan and Rajarao. R.K. Narayan, I hope you remember the writer. Our first chapter. Yes, it is based on that novel by R.K. Narayan. Novelists like Anita Desai, related to women's activists, novelists like Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, and Arun Joshi and Manohar Malgaonkar changed the current of Indian English novel through their works. Amita Ghosh, Vikram Seth, and Upamanyu Chatterjee ameliorated the Indian novel in English by adding a new features to it. Now, not only there was a hold by a particular novelist or the women novelist, there was a reign like it came up with many diamonds of novelists. There was many sharp novelist who has created their own imagination image in front of people by adding their own features. A new features were added in the novel. Apart from the common scenario, they have added any other thing also related to religious activity also, which people like to read it as it was related to them and it was a new thing for them. So it people like the new thing, new versions in the novel to read. Moving further, recent years have witnessed the dazzling performance by Indian novelists like Salman Rushdie. As I've already explained you earlier, Salman Rushdie is an Indian novelist. So recent years we have witnessed the dazzling performance. We have seen the dazzling performance by Indian novelists. Who are the Indian novelists? Salman Rushdie, Arvind Adya, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai, and Kiran Nagarkar. The tradition of Indian English novel has undergone a vital, and important change since its birth, and it has undoubtedly very bright future. Now, what actually it has started in our traditional days, traditional years. As the novel has started, the first novel, the very first novel, was based on whom? Rajmohan's wife, written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. So what he has written, and now today what the Salman Rushdie and Arvind Akadia, Arundhati Roy, what they are writing had gone under change a very in detail. A vital change has can be seen in their writing since the birth of novel, and really we can say that the novel is having a bright future. Who are reading novel, for them they are having a bright future, as the novel has a very deep impact on its reader. Now you can see the pictures over here. Immigrants author who has traveled from one place to another, one place to other place. The novelist of over here, as we have studied earlier, Salman Rushdie belonging to India, V.S. Naipaul belonging to Trinidad, Kazu Ishiguro belongs to Japan. I hope slide is visible to you. You can see the faces, or you can directly go on internet and search their faces and about their novels, on what topics they have written the novels, what kind of novels they have given to us as a gift, and why the novel is having a bright future at present day. Okay, so here I would like to end by the topic of novel. Inshallah, in our next session, I'm going to start by the novella, elements of novel, and types of novels. Two topics I'm going to cover up, inshallah, in my next session. Till then, thank you so much for listening. Stay at home, stay safe.